The one more function we are going to learn here is a keep filter. Keep filter, how it different you can check here. For example, I would like to have this total price each to be mentioned here. Okay. Then what exactly we do? Actually, uh, only for the I need a total price for the ships. Okay, like this we need. Then what we do? We create one like a measure, like I create a measure. How exactly we calculate? It's the normal method we calculate one thing. Like I just say, just to say, keep underscore filter, just to highlight them how it works. I just calculate the sum of uh, price each. Okay, this price each column, comma. Here I can use anything, like I can use all functions to all of the product line to be taken into the consideration. Then we use this one, all of the product line will be taken into the consideration. Close the bracket, close one more bracket, enter. Okay, if I go for this keep filter to be added to my table, okay, it doesn't matter, right? Whenever there is a each of the product line, it shows the same value, right? Because we've taken out all the product line. In case I say instead of all the product line, I have taken out this, take out this, I say equal to I will apply the filter like uh, ships, only for the ships I would like to have, enter. Now you can see this value will be changed, the ship value only, right? But each and everywhere it is showing the ship value, but I don't want to do that one. Only for this ship value it has to show, for other it has to show zero only. Okay, for that time what we have to do here, instead of blankly writing this one, we will wrap it up by using a keep filters. Okay, by using that keep filters, close one more bracket, enter. So what happened? You can see here, the only for that particular filter which you applied, okay, for that only it has been shown the value. For others, it is not showing a value because we have been asked them keep filter, means that filter has to be kept in a mind while showing a value also. Don't want to show it for the all other uh, like product line same value, because it doesn't have any meaning. So this keep filter and all functions sometimes we use in a different way. Okay, so you need to know that when to use a all, when to use a keep filter functions in your DAX functions. Okay, just we wrap it up with a calculate formula, the filter which we use it in a calculate. For that we wrapping that with a keep filter, means only that value has to be shown to that particular means section only in any table when we have been inserted.